Jens have found ourselves back at the market.
Yes.
And we're gonna eat something really cool today. We made it to the big buffet.
Yes.
Dun, 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 dun.
Looks delicious.
220 baht. It'll be delicious. Are you ready for this, Jens?
Okay, so I don't know what we're doing, but it looks very fun.
Yeah, we have a lot of meat and a lot of sauces. And yeah, let's try it out.
Yes. And here we have our salad and vegetables.
Yes.
And Torsten is filling up with our meat on the grill.
Really hungry.
So we have been grilling for like some minutes now, but we noticed it's not that easy to turn around the meat with these tongs here, so yeah. And it's also quite hot.
Yeah, it's pretty hot, but it's fun.
Yeah, let's see how it turns out.
My mouth is watering.
We have found ourselves some seafood as well.
Oh yes.
Here you can see we have some different types here.
We're not entirely sure how to cook it, we're just doing stuff. But we also have some bits.
Yeah.
And the fresh food is finished, so I guess we'll give it a try here. With Thai food, we also mixed some garlic as well as chili and something inside it.
Yeah, it's just a bunch of stuff. Good.
It's delicious, spicy and sweet and garlic at the same time.
Yeah. Did we grill it well enough?
Yeah. Luckily, a bit fatty.
Chicken. Let's try it. Yeah, good. We could have cooked it a bit well.
More?
A bit more. Very good taste.
Okay, we're new. We're learning. Here we have Jens's worst nightmare. It's about to eat squid. How do you feel?
I feel a bit nervous to try this wrap here.
But excited at the same time.
Maybe. Oh, oh, it's stuck in my cheek.
How is it?
Good. A good sauce.
Yeah.
Wow. Very nice.
We're starting to figure out it, sort of.
Yeah, kind of like the vegetable goes in this.
In the bag.
What you find out?
I found out that we cooked the meat on this one.
Yeah.
We cooked the seafood on this one.
And we have lots of shells.
Oh yeah, I look forward to this.
Oh yeah.
This is
And
going
I
to
think this gave good food to me.
yeah.
Like really.
And we have it with seafood sauce. We have only seafood Jens has procured for us.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is, to be honest. We're trying to rip it apart here. This is some kind of shell like this. And we have the Thai seafood sauce.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Delicious.
It tastes like shell, like, but I really like the sauce. It's kind of sour. It's really nice.
Nice.
Try it with a blue shell as well. Usually back in Norway, I really don't like this.
Ah.
Yeah, I don't know. We usually eat them with garlic, but let's try it with the Thai style.
Hi, blue shell.
Yes.
Is it better than the Norwegian one?
That's actually really good.
Yeah.
I like it. Believe it or not. Oh, you gotta.
Oh fuck. My chicken is grilling or fire. Alright. This is how it is when you're an amateur here, so yeah. Alright, so Torstein left to get some more of the sauce. So I'm left with all of these stuff, which is a huge responsibility. Like look. Holy moly. It's good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We're not professionals.
Well, we're fishermen, but
Yeah. We only fish, we don't eat.
noodle here, and I found some green noodles. Or Jens found it, so let's give it a try.
Yeah.
Should we take a bit out of it? It's really good.
Yeah.
Is it egg noodles? No, I think it's normal noodles. We also have like the rice noodles, the glass noodles.
Which is best?
The green ones.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Yeah. Are you ready for your show?
Oh yeah. So to finish this delicious meal off, we have ordered something very cool, which is known as a snail. But it's in this shell. So
We're not sure how to do this. I'm thinking probably look like a total amateur.
yeah. Does it work? It works.
Come here.
Oh yeah.
I got some spray, but
Delicious.
okay, let's try this thing. Seafood sauce. First. Surprisingly good.
Oh,
Tastes
nice.
like hot seawater.
Not bad.
Very seafood-like.
So instead of hot seawater, you can eat snails.
We know the inside of a crab.
Okay.
Tastes a bit like that.
All right. So I will try to. So I'm not that good with sticks as Torsten. Yeah. I found my own technique.
Fry it up. Okay, so Jens has his very own snail here.
Yes.
How is it?
Oh, it tastes like cold seawater.
It does.
Not hot.
And a bit like the inside of a crab almost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's good. I feel like the sauce does it for
Yeah.
most of the seafood.
It adds a lot.
Yeah.
So that's been the 229 baht buffet here.
Yeah. Good value, I would say.
Fantastic. It's been delicious. We are more than full, I think. So if you want to see more like this, you should subscribe.
Yeah.
And we have a lot more.
Yeah, so check out this video.
Peace.
I'm so lonely.